In this video, I'll show you how to reduce image size without losing quality using Image Resizer. Hi, my name is David, and if this is your first time watching my videos and you get value from the content that you watch, kindly consider liking the video and sharing it with your friends. Now, I have three images with me here, these three images, and they are different sizes, 617 KB, 730 KB, and 107 KB. The reason why you may need to reduce the size of an image is maybe you want to upload the image to, let's say, your WordPress or your website, and the bigger the image, the more time it takes for your website or the web page to load. So you want to reduce the size of the image without losing quality, but still have the image on the website, but help the website load faster. So what I'm going to show you, it's pretty simple, it's pretty fast. The second reason you may need to reduce the image size is so that you can save on space on your computer, that is save on storage. So let's begin. We're going to go to imageresizer.com, and this website is pretty awesome because you can resize images, and this is the dimensions of the image: bulk resize, image enlarger, image compressor, image cropper, that is to crop. PDF tools are available to resize, compress, etc, and more tools include beam generators, color pickers, and maybe let's say something like changing the background of an image to a transparent background. But what we need to use today is the image compressor. Let me just click on the image compressor, and this is the best web app to compress image files online for free. So this is all free, and at any one time you can select about 20 images, up to 20 images, or drag and drop. There's also an option to use a URL uploader where you can upload images from a website URL, but let's upload from a device. And since I already have the folder with the files open, I'll just resize this, bring this back here. Here we have the files, and I'll just select all, drag and drop, and there we have it. They're already inside Image Resizer, and all I need to do is just click on compress images. So let's see how much compression is going to be done. Let's just click on compress images. So we can appreciate that, for example, this image that was 730 KB has been reduced to 138. That is 81% saved. As for this one, they just reduced 7%. As for this one, they reduced 82%, which is pretty awesome, especially if you've noticed the bigger images are being super compressed. So if you're satisfied, you can just download each image individually. First, second, and then we go to the third one, and then we can just go and access them from the downloads section, and here they are. Let's just refresh this, and here they are, super small. If I just double click, this is the compressed. It has a 1 there, and then let's go to the original. This is Freeways, this is the original. If we look at them side by side, there's no significant difference that we can see. So I'd consider that using Image Resizer to reduce the size of your images can help you compress the images without losing any quality. So try it out and see if it works for you, and hopefully if you have a website, help your web images load faster. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, never stop learning and take care of yourselves.